Here I want to show my opinion about smoking on campus. Many support restriction because cigarette smoke disturb others' comfort and campus should be a healthy learning environment. On the other hand, there's a few that students as adults have the right to make their own decision. I think the most balanced solution in my view is to provide designated smoking areas that are separate, accommodating smokers without disturbing others. I think an approach that balances public health with individual freedom accompanied by good education makes the most sense. Thank you for your attention.